Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. Hello, everybody. Welcome to English class with Ma'am Aini. Okay, student. Today we learned about WH question. WH question are questions starting with WH word including what, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why, and how. Question words are used to ask about specific qualities, time, places, people, and so on. Okay, student, let's we study the question word and the example of the sentences. Word used to ask about thing, artinya digunakan untuk menanyakan sesuatu. The example are, what were you doing this evening? What did you see at the beach? When used to ask about time. Digunakan untuk menanyakan tentang waktu. The example are, when was the storm? When did you leave the park? Where used to ask about places. Digunakan untuk menanyakan tempat. The examples are, where were you yesterday? Where did you keep the broom? Who used to ask about people, subject of verb. Digunakan untuk menanyakan seseorang, posisinya sebagai subjek. The example are, who was the man in your house last night? Who told you that story? Whom used to ask about people, object of verb. Digunakan untuk menanyakan seseorang, posisinya sebagai objek. Whom did you see in the morning? Whom were you talking to on the phone? Which used to ask about choices. Digunakan untuk menanyakan tentang pilihan. The example are, which book did you read online yesterday? Which dish did you enjoy very much? Whose used to ask about possession, menanyakan tentang kepemilikan. The examples are, whose file is this? It is yours. Whose books are these? Why used to ask about reason or causes, menanyakan tentang alasan. Why was your sister gloomy? Why did the hair happen? How used to ask about a manner or process, menanyakan tentang cara atau proses. The examples are, how were you here so early this morning? How did you escape from the flood? Oke, student, setelah kita mempelajari tentang WH question, mari kita coba mengerjakan latihan soal berikut ini. Oke, student, setelah kita mempelajari tentang Oke, pembelajaran kita sampai di sini. Semoga materi ini bermanfaat dan mudah dipahami. See you next. Thank you.